Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Alafaya local and long-distance movers near me. When you're looking for a moving company in Alafaya FL, 3 Movers is the right company for you. We offer reliable and inexpensive moving services in Alafaya for your local or long-distance move. When you're searching for long-distance movers or a local moving company, we are here to help. We can help you with your long-distance move to or from Alafaya, Florida. Our services will meet all your needs, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to justify hiring a moving company in Florida. When you look at the numbers, you might realize the expense is a bit higher than expected. It's important to look at the benefits of working with a professional moving company. You'll get an experienced team ready to help you, especially when you don't have much time. Our team of moving professionals will make your move to or from Alafaya much easier. At 3 Movers, we help you get settled into your new home faster. It might take you more than a week to pack up and move. Our team can do it all for you much faster. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Alafaya moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.